Cariboo Memorial Hospital is a 4-story expansion onto the existing hospital located in Williams Lake, BC. We had produced a LOD 400 and above model, and from there we used it for deck layouts with our total robotic stations, multi-trade fabrication, and other systems from the piping and HVAC for off-site fabrication.
This was a design early works agreement project, so we've actually been involved on the project from day one with the owner and our client, talking about how we're going to execute the project, and one of those things was multi-trade racks. Multi-trade racks essentially represent a piece of a hospital corridor, so it's 8 feet wide, which is the requirement for a hospital corridor, and it's a structural steel frame that has all of the MEP components included. The idea is that we're taking one of the most complex areas of a hospital, modularizing it and completing it at the shop here.
For the multi-trade racks of this project, we had created a very detailed Revit model that we were able to export all that information back into Revizto. There's really only so much you can put on a 2D sheet, so it's fantastic having the Revizto 3D model there for our site team, for our shop team, for our BIM team to all use as collaboration together.
So for us, Revizto has really been a cornerstone of the whole Cariboo Memorial project. We've actually ended up being the main host for the model there, and have kind of helped with the collaboration and the review. Everybody's been in that model alongside the general contractor and the electrical contractor, and we've really used it for every piece of coordination on that project. So we work through weekly coordination meetings. We're using the stamping tool, the markup tool, we're using assignees, reports, tags, all those good things.
When Pitt Meadows introduced us to Revizto, we were unfamiliar with it, to be honest. But when the management took us over and let us watch it live, it was an aha moment, and we thought, this is where we have to go.
As a site superintendent, the thing I like most about Revizto is just the collaboration with the other trades and the coordination that we're able to get on the spot. We can be sitting in the trailer in a meeting and trying to figure out who's going first and where they're going, and we're all able just to get together right on the spot, organize it, coordinate it, and get back out and do our jobs properly.
We started with the pre-design phase, and then we worked into the coordination phase, and now we're in construction phase. And the construction team is using the model on a daily basis from the site side. The BIM side is using it daily, and also our shop team has been using it to coordinate and fabricate the multi-trade racks.
I have been using Revizto for about 4 years. Cariboo Memorial Hospital is definitely the most impressive project that I've worked on so far in terms of complexity. I was amazed that we were able to see every component on the model down to the smallest detail. And all of these were captured on the model, which we use on a daily basis to review and identify any potential issue that we have.
Revizto has been a major part of this project. I would say most of our employees mainly use Revizto and not so much 2D drawings. It's super easy to use on the iPad, and almost every kid that comes into the industry knows how to run computer games, and so they pick it up unbelievably fast. And so for the guys on the floor, their main tool and what they would build to is typically the model on an iPad. They're able just to pull it out on the spot, coordinate anything that needs to be coordinated, take any measurements that they need, and are able to build extremely efficiently and precise.
I think Revizto has made my life easier on this project. It's easy to export Revit projects into this space. It's easy to use clash detection. It's easy to track all issues throughout the project. It's easy to have open conversations back and forth with any team. It's helped a lot.
Even just the collaboration between our teams, they're able to jump on teams across the room from each other, share their screen and actually fly through specific areas. They're able to tag out issues to each other. They're able to assign those issues back to the electrical contractor. That has really had a massive impact on just how we collaborate across the whole platform. In my opinion, it's the best piece of software out there for model review and collaboration by a long way.